Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson, Weather, Climate, and Vegetation of South Africa. Lesson objectives: weather, observe and record the weather, rainfall, climate, as well as natural vegetation. Beginning with elements of weather. People always like to talk about the weather. Weather describes the following elements: temperature, wind, cloud cover, snow, and hail. We can use the following words to describe the weather: hot, cold, warm, cool, wet, dry, sunny, rainy, cloudy, as well as windy. Now let's look at precipitation. Wizards, precipitation is when moisture from the air reaches the surface of the earth. Precipitation can be liquid water like rain, or it can be frozen water like hail or snow. Now, measuring temperature and rain. The amount of hotness is called temperature. We measure the temperature of the air with an instrument called a thermometer. The unit of measuring thermometer is degrees centigrade. When the temperature rises, the mercury in the bulb expands and moves up the thin tube in the stem of the thermometer. You can read the temperature of the scale when the mercury stops moving. Now, how hot is hot? To describe the temperature, we use words such as hot, warm, cool, and cold. What do these words mean in degrees? Hot means a temperature above 25 degrees. Warm means a temperature between 20 degrees and 24 degrees. Cool means a temperature between 13 and 19 degrees. Cold means a temperature below 12 degrees. Now, measuring rainfall. Wizards, to measure rainfall, we use an instrument called a rain gauge. Rain gauges must be placed in open areas. The unit we use to measure rainfall is millimeters. In South Africa, the average amount of rainfall per year is about 350 millimeters. Measuring wind direction. Wind is moving air. We can describe wind direction by using the 8 compass directions, which are north, south, east, west, southeast, southwest, northeast, and northwest. We name a wind after the direction it comes from. For example, a south wind blows from the south towards the north, and a northern eastern wind blows from the southeast towards the northwest. The instrument we use to measure wind, describe, and direction is a wind vane. The wind turns the wind vane round, and the arrow tells us the wind direction.